Hi, I'm Sheamus. I'm owner of this beautiful house which I just got renovated, so I'm happy to share my experience with you. Just shopping around for ideas on internet, and I did a search on Google and found Renopedia. Brick and Deco, the ID that we selected, they were very professional. They gave us a lot of their advice, so converted all our ideas that we had initially into reality. Yeah, we haven't have any direct experience in this. They told us what to do and what not to go ahead with, and eventually we were very pleased with the services they rendered. This $1,000 that we won, we would like to possibly put it into investment, or if there's nothing good in the market, we'll just save it up for future use. For those out there who's looking for a good ID, I would advise them to visit Renopedia. There's a lot of options there and a lot of case studies, pictures that they have. Just look around and you'll find what you want. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.